Hello guys, welcome. Let's talk about how we can improve our trading accuracy. A lot of traders are stuck in the process of revenge trading, over trading, trading with emotions, or trading when their setup is not yet ready. So, as a trader, how can you control this? How can you control this? How can you control this challenge? Because this is a common challenge that many traders face, new traders face, old traders face the same challenge. So as a trader, how can you control this? Right? How can you control this? You can minimize this by using Python or any programming languages to help you create a script. Now that script will send you notification, right? That script will send you notification when your trading conditions align, right? So now with that notification system, you don't need to overtrade, revenge trading, right? Because with that system, when you pick a trade and you lose a trade, you will know that, oh, it wasn't your fault. It wasn't your fault because there's no 100% strategy. You will know that, oh, you will stay off the market because there's no notification system at that moment. Again, you have already used the one sent, right? And you will learn how to control your emotions with this system. You will learn how not to overtrade because the system sent a notification and you already pick a trade. All right. So how can you create this system? You can use any programming language of your choice. You can use Python, use MQL5 programming language to do that. You can use trained view because trained view has Python script that you can be able to create notification or alert system so that you will monitor your trade or improve your trading accuracy. Okay. So, but in this video, I'll be focusing on teaching you how you can use Python to create this notification system, right? If we take a look at this Telegram notification, this is Euro USD bullish order block, and a notification sent around 9:36 a.m. Another one sent 10:30 a.m. So now with this notification system, you will learn how to control a lot of things, right? You will not overtrade. You will only trade when your trading setup align, right? For instance, this was just an example I was creating to teach you guys how you can create a system, right? For instance, this is a bullish and fair value gap. This one is a bullish other block. So with this system, I'm monitoring when my when the system will detect a fair value gap or when the system will detect other block. So now, as a trader, what am I going to do when the system detects other block or when the system detects fair value gap? What are you going to do? Am I going to pick a trade? Am I going to wait, or what am I going to do? Right? Look, time frame, current price, fair value gap, zone, gap size, formed art, weekly bias, time, and anything, right? Now, when creating this system, right, you can write the condition. What are your conditions, right? What are the conditions of your system? What are the conditions of your trading strategy? What are the conditions of your script? Okay, you will write them, and the system will help you to identify those conditions on your chart. Okay, so if you want to use Python, right, you head over, download Python, head over to the Python official website, download Python. I'm on Windows, so you download Python on Windows or Mac. You download the version of your choice, or you can download the latest version, right? Then you download a Visual Studio Code, that's the coding editor, right? Or I already have all of them installed, so I will not be downloading and installing anything. Okay. Then if you're using Python, I have something for you that will help you much to be able to create a quick script. You can use this can use it GitHub repo. It will help you to connect to MetaTrader 5. Now, what this MT5 connector is doing is connecting you to MetaTrader 5. It's connecting Nautilus Trader to MetaTrader 5. I don't want to talk about that one because that one is a different topic entirely. That one is the quantitative trading tool. So we're talking about quantitative trading tool in this video, right? We're just talking about how you can improve your trading accuracy, creating by creating trading signals. Okay, so you will create, you will use this Python, you will use this GitHub repo to help you create a script. Now it will connect to MT5 and download help you download uh, trading trading chart, right? It helps download trading chart from MT5 because the script will be reading from your trading chart, right? It will be reading from your trading chart and be picking up signals and be doing everything. And you can check out the package on Python PYPI. You can install that as a package. So you can use this Python package I created to connect Nautilus Trader to MetaTrader 5. You can use this package. It will help you to create notification system. Right? It's just a simple script. It's not a complex script. What the script is doing is fetching fetching the chart from MetaTrader 5. Right? It will fetch the chart. That is it will fetch the live chart from MetaTrader 5 and use it to create a system. Okay, so and use it to fetch the system. So after that, when everything is successful, you can put this little script on a VPS, or you can put it on your laptop, or you can leave it running on your laptop throughout the day so that it will be notifying you when your trading conditions are set. You can create for any trading instrument you want, either Euro USD, in gold, or any trading instrument. Okay, this is the script. This is the script. So this is the script. So I'll not be going deep. But it's a very simple script. You can ask your LLM model to help you create a script. For instance, you can ask Cloud AI to help you create a script. You can give it a command to help you create a script that can send Telegram notification. So how can you create a Telegram notification? Right, this is a Telegram bot father to help you to create. It will help you to create a bot, right? A new bot. Then Telegram will ask you to give the name of the bot, right? Then you copy the bot token and the chat ID and keep it in your .env. I'm just using this one as an example, right? Your AI model will show you everything you need to do. Right? I'm just explaining to you how the system works. So that's everything you need to know to optimize your trading strategy. Okay, if you want to optimize your trading strategy, these are simple ways you can use and optimize your trading strategy. As a trader, it's good to keep this at the back of your hand. Use Python program, use AI model to optimize your to optimize your trading strategy. Right, you can do amazing things with this. You can also check out on my website auxobots.com. Have amazing trading tools here doing really good. Okay, you can check them out. You can join our Discord community, we are building community of traders where you can talk to other traders and help to and get to help each other automate your trading strategy and improve on your trading accuracy. All right, thank you.